Alright folks, this is the Mazda CX5 with a 2.5 4-cylinder. Want to change an air filter? Check an air filter? Let's take a look. It's pretty simple here. It's got two clips. One here, and one here. And then over here, there is actually 1, 2, 3 little tabs that slide into a slot on the bottom of the housing. So this unit would have this top cover. After you did the clips, just pull it out a little bit, and then you're able to tilt it up out of the way. All right, let's see if I can get you mocked up over here so we can see that. All right, let's try it this way without, hopefully I'm not getting in your way. So you did the two clips. You're gonna lift it up a little bit. It's Peter after the squirrels. Slide it a little bit over here like this. Oops. And you'll be able to tilt it up out of the way. All right, there's enough room in the wiring harness, and you can reach in here. Take my glove off over here. Take this filter out. The filter's pretty decent, so I'm not going to change it. There it is. All right, there's a filter. Doesn't look like it goes in any specific way. It's all the same size. Put that in there. Okay, same thing. Got 3 little slots. See, I can show you the 3 slots here. Raise it up for you. See that? That's 1. That's 2, 3. It's the one with the little tab sticking out. All right. So you see this wire harness? That harness is now underneath. So before you do anything, just grab your hand with the other side, move it up out of the way from this tab, put it on top of the tab, and then slide the little bugger in, and put your 2 little clips. All right, see if I can do this for you. Reach in and grab that little harness, put it up around the tab. Matter of fact, I'm going to hold it up here, out of the way. Okay. I'm going to locate the little slots, and I'm going to tilt it in there. 1, 2, 3. All right. Once it's on there, just got to tap the little clips on back, and then you're good to go. 1 and 2. All right. That's it. There's your air filter. All done. All right. Thanks for watching. Ciao.